Hello everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to show product stock levels on Shopify store. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So it is pretty easy. First you need to make sure that you add products, and you can see we have 10 in stock, 49 in stock and 25 in stock, and search for integration called stock and then head over to your app store. Once you are there, you can see we have various inventory planner by Sage and all that stuff. You can use this stock counter and stuff like that. You can see only 2 left in stock. I highly recommend this integration, so make sure to give it a try and you will be able to simply show product in stock. So you can see last 5 items left and stuff like that. So make sure to try this out and it will be helping you guys. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.